for watching this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And, yeah, enjoy the video. Hey everyone, it's JP Hatch, and my special package came. My first rack interface came. So, yeah, it came from eBay, and I'm gonna open it. It's used. Just want to clarify it is used. And currently been so I got it. It's currently just a pile of paper for now. And the power cables. And yeah, here's the interface, power cable, and the cable to hook it up to a computer. I'm gonna get all these out of the bubble wrap and everything, and then I'll show you. So here are the power cables and the connection cables. Here's the back of the interface. And here's the front of it. I just don't have any table space right now to just use table, but I am gonna put it in my rack next. Okay, you can see it's a Tascam, and yeah, that's the interface. I'm gonna put it in my rack and everything and get it set up, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so I have the USB interface all hooked up. Everything seems to be working on it. This is a Tascam US 1800. See, I'll give you guys a nice close look at it. And yeah, that's it. And that's the interface. Everything seems to be working, and yeah, I got it used on eBay. And yeah, technically my first real piece of rack gear. I'm not counting the power. But yeah, works pretty good, and stay tuned for my next video, which will be the preamp. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, send to your friends, and make sure to put a comment. Alright, peace, guys. It's JP Hatch.